Hi, my name is Maritza, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this month's theme for Teacher Carrot Cake's box for May 2022. I'm excited to get started. There are so many goodies in here. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First things first, when we open up the box, you will find the info card. The info card is going to share with you all of the information from each product that is inside. And this one's theme is Adventure Awaits, which means that life is an adventure both in and out of the classroom. Enjoy it to the fullest with this month's help of Teacher Carrot Cake box. And let's get started. I'm going to be sharing with you first thing. When you come into your box, you will find I have here the lanyard. This lanyard is from Star Baby, and it is this really cute color theme of the lanyard. Has some turquoise, some neutral colors in here, and also very sturdy lanyard to hold all your keys, all of your belongings so they don't get lost. Very useful. It also comes in other colors. Be sure to check it out. And inside the cute little bag here is also a discount code to Star Baby, and so make sure you don't throw that out when you open it up. The next thing is the Super Cactus Glow Facial. Absolutely a must-have. This is a 3-step facial, very useful, easy to use at home, and delivers this perfect, beautiful glow. So enjoy the Super Cactus Glow Facial. The next thing is I have here the notebook it's a lined notebook, and it is an Explorer themed notebook. It's lined, it's small enough to fit anywhere. Super easy to jot down notes, just carry it with you. Put it on your desk or near your personal items. Super easy to use, and it has this Explore theme with some floral in there. And the next thing is the art print for this month is by Sarah Frost of The Designer Teacher, and it has this map theme to it, and I love the quote. The quote says, what is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life, by May Oliver. And that is this month's art print. These are really useful to use in many places. I like to display them around my classroom or in my teacher area wall, and students enjoy reading them. Also hang them up in the classroom or in my office at home. The next thing I have here is the double chocolate cookies. So this one's treat brings you some soft cookies, very tasty, and they're also gluten and vegan free. They're soft baked, so enjoy this little treat. The next thing I have here is this outdoor adventure roll-on. This roll-on actually has some lavender, lemon, eucalyptus, tea tree, and rosemary to soothe skin and repel from bugs. This is very useful when you have outdoor recess. This time of month, the bugs are always coming out, and it also smells really good. It's not strong, it's very subtle and very light. Can't wait for you to smell it. It smells actually really good, very soothing. So this is a must-have in my backpack when I'm going outside for recess duty. The next thing I have here is these Explore More and Teaching is an Adventure fun little jot pens. This is actually a subscriber favorite for a reason. If I can, there we go. So these fun pens are also they're click pens, very smooth. Like the touch is super smooth. This is a really useful way to attach it to your lanyard, and I carry it around, so whenever I need a pen, it is there. So check these out. These are the Jotter pens, a subscriber favorite. And the last thing I have here is the sticker that you will find for this month, the laptop sticker, to keep things into perspective by reminding yourself that teaching is an adventure, with this adorable laptop sticker. And I love these laptop stickers. My students always compliment me on my stickers on my laptop, so they're always checking those out, wanting to see what is new on my laptop. So something fun to add, some color. And I also have the printables for this month. They are some coloring pages, so be sure to download those. These are some fun little coloring pages. There are Explore theme, and I've seen several teachers use them for their students, some self-care, some downtime, and you can find all of these on the website or your digital downloads. And they're super fun, so creative. I can see teachers hanging them up when students complete them and putting them around the classroom, allowing students to take them home or putting them in their morning activity choices. And you can also find the printables. Other printables are these countries that they've visited. This is a great find to give to them for the summer. Sometimes students visit other places, so you can give this to them. Also a good activity to learn the countries and the states. And these are really, really neat. You can color them, you can be laminated. The possibilities are endless. Okay, to wrap things up for this month's May 2022 box, you have your art print for this month, the Glow Facial. There is also some fun Jot pens. This month's lanyard also comes in other colors. Laptop sticker, Teaching is an Adventure. Your treat for this month, the Double Chocolate Soft Cookies. Notebook that pairs actually really well with those Jotter pens. It's the Explore Lined Mini Notebook and the Adventure Roll-On Oil. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to click on the link down below to get your very own Teacher Care Crate box. It also makes a great gift for teachers and educators. If you want to receive the May box, be sure to subscribe by May 15th so that you don't miss out. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.